Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Billie Jean Among Mortals, short version 208. Here it is, let's read the story. Art committee, Kumengsi, our class is going to hold a cultural evening. Why don't you show it? Every time it seems like nothing else. Study members have other talent. The only thing I can do is to increase the average grades of the class. Well, she was right. She was a smarty person. All she can do is study and study. Don't you think about other people at all? If I don't think about other people, who will help your good Billie tutoring homework? Scores and grades in addition to the grades in your heart. Isn't it without me? Oh, Sinbui is asking her. Well, is she really get jealous? Right now, the two of them is talking. Of course, it's only helping Billie Jean to improve her scores, nothing more than of that. Now, it really makes sense to Sisi. Sinbui, what did you just say? If I heard it right, you say, right now? Sisi, she was really cute on saying that, in order not to let the study committee repeat its own words. Right now, Sinbui, she moved closer to her. Well, we become small versions because of this. The literary committee decided to make other party unable to speak. Well, that was a cute person. Billie Jean right now. She was cold. Billie classmate, be careful. Well, someone is talking about her. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Billie Jean will come back next week for the regular chapter. Thank you, bye.